This line drawn across the map may look like the flight path of an airplane, but it's actually the journey of an eagle that lasted for more than 20 years. At the beginning of its journey, scientists fitted the eagle with a small tracking device in Russia, hoping it would reveal the secrets of its migration over time. From that moment on, the map recorded every journey, every stop, and every route it chose. Over the course of 20 years, this eagle traveled thousands of kilometers, crossed numerous countries, and eventually ended its incredible journey in Saudi Arabia, where it died after spending a lifetime soaring through the skies. But what amazed researchers the most wasn't the length of its journey. It was the route it chose. Every time the eagle approached the sea, it changed its course, choosing to fly over land instead, even if it meant traveling hundreds of extra kilometers. At first, that decision might seem strange, but in reality, it was an incredibly intelligent one. Eagles don't rely solely on the strength of their wings. They also depend on rising thermal air currents that form over land, allowing them to glide across vast distances while using very little energy. Over the sea, however, these thermal currents are much weaker. That means the eagle would have to flap its wings continuously, rapidly draining its energy. And if it became exhausted or the weather suddenly changed, there would be nowhere to land and no reliable source of food or fresh water. That's why it consistently chose the longer route, because it was the safer one. When scientists finally examined the tracking data after 20 years, they realized that this eagle hadn't been flying randomly at all. It had been making remarkably precise decisions that helped it survive for 2 decades. It's a fascinating reminder that nature often hides extraordinary wisdom behind the simplest behaviors. Wisdom we only begin to appreciate when we take a closer look.